Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to add number 1 in here and number 1 in here. Next, I will use about substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u over the s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of y, you got dy over the s. First derivative of number 1, you got 0. So this one, we change by u. This one, we change by the u over the s. Next, this one we put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have tan of u. This one, we have s and we put about c. About u, that's about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.